Victoria. Calling at City Hospital, Financial Quarter, and Stepford Victoria. This train is formed of 10 coaches. The train now standing at platform 7 is the 1619.
This station is for Stepford Victoria.
St Helens Bridge.
The next station
Angel
will be
Pass,
City
Croydon,
Hospital.
Coxley, Benton, Benton Bridge, Hampton Hargate, Upper Staplow, Wharton Newton, Rocket Parade, Leighton Stepford Road, and Leighton City. This train is formed of 4 coaches. The train now approaching platform 6 terminates here.